You know what that be Jehovah's Witness? Eh? In fact, for the sake of the Valentine, I joined Jehovah's Witness.
She what?
I joined Jehovah's Witness on the 13th of February 2024. Now that's the day me and my girlfriend break up.
Marvelous.
Yeah.
How did you celebrate the Valentine? And who was your Val?
I go already ask my mumu question. Very mumu question. You know what that be Jehovah's Witness? Eh? In fact, for the sake of the Valentine, I joined Jehovah's Witness.
She what?
I joined Jehovah's Witness on the 13th of February 2024. Now that's the day me and my girlfriend break up.
Why?
No, she thinks say she wise. She don't talk about the Valentine since. Wetin I go buy for her, the gift I will give her. She my partner $10.
I'm sorry, yo.
I buy her gift, I'll take her out to buy ice cream. Buy this, buy that.
He shock you.
Because I be Davido now.
You be mumu.
Eh? She don't talk her own finish. Wetin man want do now, mind the day. As I joined Jehovah's Witness, I tell her and say, see, I don't join Jehovah's Witness. Now she called and ask me, what does that mean? Now I reply and say, what does it look like?
Apostle, we have
We
this.
need to celebrate Valentine. No. Our church need to celebrate Valentine at all.
Funke.
And so we take break up.
They have left you behind.
So that day she can't cry. Pre-Valentine cry. That she don't cry finish, she can't go and start to go post. I'm surprised that she no block me. Maybe she thinks I will change mind. But you know, say as a day like this, my mind is unchangeable. Jehovah's Witness, yeah, I come. There's no going back.
You be mumu.
So she paused for her status. Who will be my va?
So did she got?
Yes, now I want mumu boy scatter it. Go carry with her dump.
Jesus.
But why did you dump her?
Go ask your papa if me can leave the girl when he date.
Funke.
Leave the girl, go marry mama.
Hey.
Wait.
I
I'm
hear
going to
me,
ask
take
mumu
me.
questions.
Not be juju be that.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, you're gonna like the next one. I promise. I beg. Just subscribe. One love.